One of the biggest and most pivotal breakthroughs I had in my life was at age 25 while sitting in prison. I read a quote that said, one of the signs of one having knowledge is that they admit that they don't know a thing. Now what I realized and what I had to admit to myself is that I was actually one of those people who didn't like to admit when I didn't know something. But I was also one of those people who didn't like to admit when I was wrong. And because of those two character defects, and there was plenty more, it made me a far less attractive person than I am today. And because of that, I had to make some changes, right? But first things first is that you got to admit to it. It's like a 12-step program. You can't make the change, you can't get better until you admit that you have a problem. And for a lot of us, we are our own worst enemies. I was my own worst enemy. I had some issues for a long time that I didn't want to address it. But once I got to the point where I knew it was there, and I knew that it was a negative character trait, I had to get rid of it. There's an old African proverb that says, if there's no enemy within, then the enemy outside could do us no harm. But there's another one that says that an enemy exposed is the enemy half defeated. So just like the quote says, if you can't, until you identify the enemy, right, the enemy will always linger. If you can't identify it, if you don't know what's there, if you don't know where it's at, then you can't take the necessary steps to attack it and get rid of it. So self-assessment for me took me a long ways as far as my character development, my personal growth, and my personal development. All right, self-assessment, being able to admit, at least to yourself. You don't got to go up on the mountains and scream. You don't got to get on a bullhorn and shout to everybody. But admitting it to yourself first and foremost is enough to start to take the necessary steps for personal growth and personal development, and just ridding yourself of any negative character traits that might get in the way of whatever you're trying to accomplish, whatever that might be for you. And that's why I'm actually sharing this with y'all, because this really took me on a hell of a growth and journey that I would like to share with you guys. And first and foremost, you got to admit it to yourself. Again, you don't got to admit it to everybody else, but admit it to yourself. Now also, check this out. So I just wanted to share that with you. So one more thing before I go. Listen, keep it 100 with yourself. Even if you don't keep it 100 with everybody else, being honest with yourself will take you a long way, especially when it comes to self-assessment and personal growth and development. So listen, if you can't see it yourself, ask somebody whose opinion you trust, somebody that's close to you, to assess you, because sometimes other people can see things that you can't. So always take into consideration other people's criticisms of you, but don't let it be your final judge. All right, it's your boy Kamal-Amir, Philly's finest. Get it right or get left out. Peace and blessings.